Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. How's everyone doing? Well, anyways, I want to do a little diorama thing here. I'm just trying to pop you guys on my rice here, my little workshop here. Anyways, part of the diorama I'm doing is I'm just kind of making it so it looks like the car is getting restored, and it's getting dipped in a tank. A lot of more pro restoration shops have dipping tanks for dipping the car bodies into, for doing just to remove the paint and rust and such, right? And what you see here is a similar setup. There's a shop near me. It's a custom hot rod shop, and they do that. They dip most of their cars, trucks, whatever they're building, into a dipping tank, and it just takes all the material off there. Similar system, nothing complicated. Just mainly beam construction is a big tank, and their tank, it rolls in and out, and there's a hoist in here and stuff. I made this beam here, this big beam here, going like this. I'm making some winches for it at the moment. I'll show you that in a minute. And there's a beam here. So basically, there's winches on here. I made some scratch built winches, and with some chains, and it lowers the car up and down in there and moves the car in or out. So this is just a diorama. I'm not going to be going too crazy with it. But anyways, there you have it. Very very simple thing to do, and it's a diorama piece. So yeah, there you have it. So in real life, like I said, this tank here would actually be on wheels and then move in and out. So, but yeah, I think the dipping process is a lot better than sandblasting, because sandblasting warps the shit out of sheet metal. So been there, done that, so I know about that kind of stuff. So, but dipping is way more effective. So anyways, we'll take you to the bench and I'll show you what I've done with the car. Okay, pull out your hats. So anyways, I made winches to go on that beam there. So there's a wire on here, be like cable sorta. So just kind of making it the same way I seen it. So that big winch that slides back and forth on the beam, right? And of course, probably I think the one that I've seen there, they were remote control, so we're doing the same kind of thing. Remote control there. So we got two of them. Get 2 inches. So, and here's the car. So we actually we put the car in purple power anyway, and we stripped all the paint and then we painted it silver. So the chains are already all in there. So basically, when it's on the hoist, you'll see that on the diorama there, it'll be like that sort of, right? So of course, they won't be movable, but you'll see in the diorama that the car being there suspended like this. Actually, I'll show the car in the tank, and then I'll have it raised up on the hoists, and that way you can see that part of the diorama look kind of cool. I'll take a bunch of still pictures and such when that time comes. Yeah, so I have that, and then next will be, now you see the cars in kind of bare metal form. Well, make believe. So, and then after that, I have to cut the quarters off and do the rockers and such there. Do all that, fix the rust back here. Big process. But we have another car from my model collection that we'll be chopping up to make the I have a junker similar to this, very junker like this one here, and it's has good quarters and stuff like that, and parts we need. So we'll take those off and put them into this. So anyways, pretty interesting stuff. So anyways, it looks the part, I think. So it's not perfect, but what do you want? Something's been sitting in the pond or in a um, in a field for most of its life. What do you want? It's gonna be all chewed up anyway. So, anyways, there you have it. So, I want to do a little update on that. Tell you guys what's going on with that project. We got other things coming on. Other things going on. Old Beater Cars is moving to a new shop here pretty soon. So, I'm not gonna let the cat out of the bag. But we got. We're gonna have a nice, big model room and shop and stuff to work out of going forward. Yep. Time for a big change. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember to stay tuned for updates on the 1970 Challenger restoration project. Bye for now.